So let's start looking at machine embroidered bowls and 3D pieces. I've gone round all the leaves twice now. There's 2 rows of circles, and now I'm going to start introducing a different colour. Right, I think that's it. We can start thinking about dissolving and making a bowl. So we have our bowl of water and we have our stitch piece that we want to mould. Now you've got plenty of time to decide how lopsided it is, where you want the creases, because it will be wet for quite a long time. So I'm just going to leave that to dry, which would take overnight in a warm room. It does take a while to dry properly. And then we'll have a look at what it looks like when it comes out.